Tired of fumbling for your credit card at checkout? Today, we're streamlining your Temu shopping experience by showing you exactly how to pay securely and quickly using Apple Pay. First, find the amazing items you want to purchase on Temu and add them to your shopping cart, then tap the checkout button. On the checkout page, you'll see a list of payment options. Look for the Apple Pay logo. It usually appears as a button or an option in the payment method section. Tap the Apple Pay option. Your iPhone or iPad will then prompt you to authenticate the payment. This might involve using Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your passcode, depending on your device settings. Once authenticated, Apple Pay securely transmits your payment information to Temu. After the payment is processed, you will see an order confirmation screen on Temu, confirming your purchase is complete and showing the details of your order. You'll also receive a confirmation email from both Temu and Apple Pay. That's all there is to it. You can now enjoy super easy and safe shopping on Temu with Apple Pay. Happy shopping!